Didi, I have a serious problem.
Again, are you hungry, I guess?
No, Di, not this time. Actually, the problem is whenever I try to speak in English, first I think in Hindi, then I translate, then I speak. And by that time, the moment is already gone.
Oh, so you want to think directly in English?
Yes, Didi, but I don't know how do people think automatically in English.
ये प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ तुम्हारी नहीं है. Almost every Indian student goes through with it. But don't worry, I have got 3 simple and easy solutions. If you follow these seriously, your brain will automatically start thinking in English.
Really? What are they, Didi?
Okay, now first close your eyes.
Okay,
And now think of an apple.
okay, I can see it.
What did you see? A red fruit or the word apple?
I saw the fruit, not the word.
Exactly. That's how our brain works. It thinks in images, not in words.
Oh, so the image is already neutral. It is neither Hindi nor English.
Exactly. Whenever you think of anything, just attach the English word directly to the image. Not translation, not Hindi. Just directly English word to image.
Okay, got it. What about the second solution?
Okay. Right now, look around you and tell me, what do you see?
Okay, fan, window, chair, door, and laptop.
Exactly. See, you said everything in English.
Oh, yes, you are right.
Exactly. That's what I want you to do every single day. And you know, there is a psychology behind it. Your brain learns by repetition and association. जितनी बार तुम किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को इंग्लिश में नेम करोगे तो तुम्हारा ब्रेन परमानेंटली उसे स्टोर कर लेगा और नेक्स्ट टाइम जब तुम उस ऑब्जेक्ट को देखोगे सो ऑटोमेटिकली वो तुम्हें इंग्लिश में सोचने को कहेगा ना कि हिंदी में.
So basically, I am training my brain like a muscle.
Exactly, like a muscle.
Okay, Didi, I like this one. Now, what about the third one?
Okay, now the last one. And you know, this is my personal favorite. So from tomorrow, when you wake up in morning, whatever you do, just start narrating it in English.
Narrate? Like how?
Like this. I'm waking up in the morning. I'm stretching my body. Simple. Whatever you do, just narrate it.
So, my normal daily routine becomes my English practice.
Yeah, it is. So, remember 3 things. Very first, visualize in English. Second, name everything around you in English. Third, narrate your daily actions in English.
Okay, got it, Didi.
Look at you, actually paying attention for once.
Didi.